My name is Itumbi. A few minutes ago, I was an accused person. I am now free, acquitted by court. This matter has been actually the real charge was not that I am the one who published a fake letter. The real charge was that the criminal justice system then brought a fake charge. So I have a message for one former DCI director, George Kinoti, one former PS Interior, Karanja Kibicho, former CS Interior, Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Shame on you, and shame on you. I said when I came to this court on the first day that this was just politics aimed at trying to stop a waterfall that was already going down, and it was impossible. I said to them, "Oh ye of little faith." Today, the court has confirmed that it was not only an unconstitutional charge that was brought here, but that system of facts cannot be stopped by arrests, however dramatic they are. They sent over 40 policemen to arrest me for a case that is actually unconstitutional. I know my lawyers have advised that we will sit down and discuss what to do with them. But I am telling them, the three of them, I will not come back to court for the criminal justice system. I'll come for them individually, the three of them. Today the court has also confirmed something else. La murder actually happened. The chair was Karanja Kibicho, and in that meeting he said they would stop William Ruto, the then deputy president, from becoming president by whatever means, including doing what they did to the former Interior CS Minister George Saitoti, which was an assassination. I repeat here today, with a hashtag system of facts, that Karanja Kibicho chaired a meeting where senior Mount Kenya officials at PS level, CEOs of parastatals, including senior political players at the time, in the full knowledge of the then president, met at La Mada Hotel basement and planned in detail how to assassinate the then deputy president. I said it then, dragging to court. It was an unnecessary 3 years of spending public resources. These courts have decided in the past, I think it's in Kajiado, where 3 policemen were arrested and charged, and they paid back to the state for illegally dragging some people to court. It is in the same way we are going to demand that the 3 actually pay back the resources that have been used to prosecute something they knew they were hiding. The DCI called Peter Munya, they called Sisiri Karioki, then a CS, they called Mushero to the DCI to record a statement on this letter. That investigation that started, we now therefore demand today that investigation to go on because it has been proved to be true. Finally, let me say the following, that this should never happen to anyone else. Let us use the criminal justice system to sort the issues in our society, to forestall crime, to deal with actual criminals. It should actually never happen even to your worst enemy. I sincerely thank my counsel and the counsel of my co-accused. They have given their best, they have made the best arguments in this court. It is unfortunate that the court had to confirm this case for us to go to defense hearing, whereas it was actually unconstitutional, and we had pointed it out at the time. But it's also good that the court has the prosecution has self-corrected and the court has confirmed. But all my friends, Karanja Kibicho, DCI Director, and Matiang'i, poleni sana. This was the fate. Ultimately, it was going to collapse, and it has collapsed. Long live system of facts.
Long live.
And long live the judiciary for protecting those people who are saying no.
Please, point of law.
Yeah, we confirm that the court has given us an acquittal today. And the sense of it is that in the year 2021, a decision had been made that the charges brought under Section 66 are unconstitutional. We raised that in 2021, and because it was inconvenient to the system, and because the prosecution did not have a spine then, they have continued with the case until now. We are grateful, however, that late as it may be, it has now dawned on them that they cannot maintain such a case. We really appreciate also that the judiciary noticed that, and in the ruling giving us an acquittal, they lamented that it took so long before the realization that the judges were constitutional and that they should not have been detained since the High Court determined them to have been unconstitutional. I think that's all I wish to say.
Well, just to reiterate, Mr. Judges, myself for the purposes, I am Dr. Adrian Kamolo, counsel for the accused. We have just seen the good position of the court, whereby the previously accused person, Mr. Itumbi and Mr. Gateri, have been acquitted by the court on what we programming of a mobile phone. So you can imagine today you delete the messages that you don't need on your phone, and then you are hardwired to court. That is a scenario that faced our clients. So there was absolutely against our clients, and we are glad today that the matter has ended in an acquittal. We believe that our clients reserve the right to further action because it has been an enduring or rich, malicious prosecution shall be to account. So once again, I hail the judiciary and the independent institutions for always being keen to ensure that the rights of citizens remain protected. We are only safe, I can attest, at the bosom of the law, of independent institutions who will impartially treat all citizens and not act brightly when charges that are now happy that our clients are free, and whatever issues they were accused of having done, the letters they were said to have published have now been affirmed to have been truthful. So whatever allegations were, it has been confirmed that indeed the plot against the then Deputy President was real. There are people who sought to eliminate him, and